Madrid is one of those cities that grabs you the moment you arrive. The energy is electric, the food is extraordinary, and the architecture tells stories that stretch back centuries. But if there is one thing that can make or break your experience in this magnificent Spanish capital, it is where you choose to stay. The right hotel does not just give you a bed to sleep in, it becomes part of the journey itself. From grand historic palaces to sleek modern retreats, Madrid has an incredible range of accommodations that cater to every kind of traveler. Whether you are visiting for art, culture, nightlife, or simply to soak in the Iberian sun, these 5 hotels represent the absolute best the city has to offer. At the very top of the list sits the Mandarin Oriental Ritz Madrid, a hotel so steeped in history that walking through its doors feels like stepping into another era. Originally opened in 1910 at the request of King Alfonso XIII, this iconic property has hosted royalty, heads of state, and some of the most celebrated figures in modern history. After a meticulous 3-year restoration, the hotel reopened in 2021 with its original Belle Epoque grandeur fully intact while seamlessly blending in contemporary luxury. The rooms are dressed in rich fabrics, the ceilings are breathtakingly high, and the garden terrace is arguably the most beautiful outdoor dining space in all of Madrid. If you are looking for an experience that is both timeless and unforgettable, this is where your journey begins. Tucked along the prestigious Paseo de la Castellana, Hotel Villa Magna is the definition of refined sophistication. This 5-star property has long been a favorite among discerning travelers who prefer quiet luxury over flashy opulence. The interiors are warm and inviting, with carefully curated artwork adorning every corridor. The rooms offer sweeping views of the city and are designed with an attention to detail that makes every stay feel deeply personal. The hotel's restaurant, Villa Magna, serves contemporary Spanish cuisine that has earned serious acclaim from food critics across Europe. For those who want to be close to the city's best shopping along Calle Serrano, while enjoying a peaceful sanctuary away from the crowds, Villa Magna delivers on every level. Located just steps away from the Royal Palace and the Teatro Real Opera House, the Gran Meliá Palacio de los Duques is a hotel that treats art as a way of life. The property is built within a 19th century palace, and the design team has done a remarkable job of honoring its heritage while infusing it with bold, contemporary, artistic expression. Every corner of this hotel feels like a gallery. The rooftop terrace offers some of the most spectacular panoramic views of Madrid you will find anywhere, and the outdoor pool area is a genuine oasis in the heart of the city. The service here is warm, attentive, and genuinely personalized, making guests feel like honored residents rather than passing visitors. For travelers who lean toward a more contemporary and design-forward experience, Only You Hotel Atocha is a revelation. Housed within a beautifully restored 19th century building near the Atocha train station, this hotel blends industrial chic with warm Mediterranean touches in a way that feels effortlessly cool. The lobby doubles as a social hub, buzzing with locals and guests alike who gather around the central bar and restaurant. The rooms are stylish and thoughtfully designed, with high ceilings and large windows that flood the space with natural light. It is the kind of place where you feel inspired just by being there. Rounding out the list is Hotel Unico Madrid, a boutique gem nestled in the upscale Salamanca neighborhood. With only 44 rooms, this property offers an intimacy that larger hotels simply cannot match. The 19th century mansion that houses the hotel has been lovingly preserved, and the lush private garden at its center is a rare treasure in such a bustling city. The on-site restaurant Ramon Fresa Madrid holds 2 Michelin stars, making it a destination in its own right. Every detail at Hotel Unico speaks to a deep commitment to excellence, and for travelers who value quality over quantity, there is truly no better address in Madrid.